This umbrella is our favorite for so many reasons. We've had quite a few umbrellas in the past 15 years because the weather in Michigan isn't too kind to them, but this one is definitely our favorite and the largest. We liked it so much that we got a second one for our vacation property deck as well. It comes 90% set up. All we had to do was just put it into the base, and we purchased these weighted bases separately, but I will also link those. This umbrella is easier to maneuver than any one we've ever owned. These 4 tilt positions are incredible for blocking sun at any time of the day, and it even has a 360-degree rotation, which is done by just pressing the foot pedal. This is a feature that's actually hard to come by. This fabric is a heavy-duty, durable material that even keeps us dry in the rain. This has an easy crank up or down handle and secure Velcro closure for when it's not in use.
Pretty simple.